So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you open CapCut and it is banned in your country and it says no internet connection whenever you're trying new effects, transitions or stickers or anything, any filters. So how to fix this? Let's get started. So in order to fix this, you need a VPN, so it registers you on a country which is not banned. So how to do this? First open your settings, then go over to network and internet, and then click on VPN and then click on add VPN. Here just click select Windows built-in. Here just name anything. I have just did VPN. Then just type in server name or address, just type public dash VPN, just type this exactly same. VPN type should be this, and for the type of sign in info just select username and password, and the username and password are same, just type small letters VPN. Once you do this, click save, and then here it will ask you to connect. Just click on connect, and once it will take a few seconds to connect. After that, go back to your CapCut and reload it, and as you can see, all the audios and filters and everything are appearing. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.